I have a Troy Bilt riding mower model number 13 and 77 TG766 serial hashtag 1A237B40344. The mower deck spring broke. And I cannot find where it attaches to from the deck. The manual that came with it is not clear. To me. Could you explain where it goes? It is not the one to the Ideler arm.
Hello, and thank you for choosing JustAnswer. I'll be helping you today and am committed to providing clear and concise answers to your question. Here's a diagram showing the two springs on the deck, and I've used red arrow to show their attachment points. If one of these is not the spring you are referring to, can you please let me know how thick and long this spring is, please? Where was it attached at the end, you know? Hope this helps. If you need more information, please stop and reply to me via the Reply to Expert link in the lower right corner of the ratings box with any issue or remaining question you may have. My reputation as an excellent expert is critical, and I will be happy to continue further and do everything I can to provide you with the best service possible. Your highest rating is my primary goal because that means I've given you the top quality service you deserve. Thank you so much.
The diagram is the same as on my instruction manual, but it doesn't match me deck. I bought this mower at Lowe's in 07. I don't have a service plan. I hate others look at it also. But could not find a place to hook the spring according to where it was hooked on the deck. The spring is hashtag 2770 and the diagram.
What size deck do you have? The illustration is for a Troy Bilt 42 inches sold at Lowe's in 2007. The serial provided indicates it was built on January 23, 2007. The 2006 model also used the same deck and spring. Can you please verify those numbers against the model tag on the tractor? Where is the spring end attached that you've identified? What size is the spring, width and length, please?
My daughter needs the computer now. Can I get back to you?
Certainly. Just reply at your convenience and I'll be alerted.
The deck is a 42-inch deck and the spring is 12/16 in width. The length is 5 inches not counting hook. One hook is broke off. The reason I am here. To Rick from Ronald P.S. The spring was attached to a plate on top of the deck and the plate is 5 inches in width and 4½ inches in height. The plate is held to an arm with a cotter pin.
The spring you are describing matches the dimensions of number 26. Do you see that spring present on your deck? Does the bracket you mentioned have a brake puck riveted on one end?
Yes.
Yes to which of the two questions?
The yes was to the brake puck, but I am not sure what that is.
Does this make more sense with what you are seeing?
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.